Good morning, student of class 7. Today we will study English literature, chapter 4, a dialogue with Bill Gates. Yesterday I have already introduced the chapter dialogue with Bill Gates. 1 to para I have completed. And now next page number 61. Fifth para I have to start. Fourth para, sorry. The Gates family atmosphere was warm and close, and all the three children were encouraged by parents to be competitive and strive for excellence. Bill showed early sign of being competitive as he coordinated family athlete games as their summer house on the Puget Sound. Now yesterday I had told you that when Bill Gates was born, 28th of October 1955, where at Washington. Father's name William H. Gates Sr. and mother name Mary Maxwell, and he has two sisters. Now here the Gates family atmosphere. Because you know that they have belong to from upper middle class family, so their environment atmosphere was how warm and close, and all the three children means Bill Gates and two sisters, they always their parents are encouraging them to be competitive and and strive for excellence, and always ready to get excellence. And Bill, from the starting of his childhood days, Bill Gates has showed competitive, and he has cooperated families athlete games at the summer house at the Puget Sound. Now, Bill's mother Mary was a teacher who gave up her career after a brief period to devote time raising the children and to work with charities as well as on the civic affairs. She often took Bill along when she volunteered in school as community organization. Now here description of Bill's mother. Bill's mother Mary, you know that. So she was a teacher. Bill's mother was a teacher. Bill's mother was a teacher who actually is from the starting he has learned him what to work for charities, any organization, and she often took this whenever she was going on any charity program something, and she was taking to him. And as he has done she volunteered in school and a community organization. It means what Mary mother always motivating, inspiring Bill Gates work for charities, etc. Okay. Bill was enrolled at Seattle's Lakeside School when he turned 13 and excelled in all subjects, especially in math and science. He also did very well in drama and English. At Lakeside School, a computer company offered to provide computer time for students. Bill Gates met Paul Allen at school, and they became fast friends, sharing a common enthusiasm over computers. Bill graduated from school in 1973 and joined Harvard University according to his parents' wishes to become a lawyer. But his interest was always in computer. In 1974, he dropped out of the university after discussions with his parents who supported him. Now, here after 13, when Bill Gates was 13-year old, he was enrolled. He has taken admission at the Seattle's Lakeside School, and he has done outstanding performance in all subjects, but especially in math and science. And he also did very well, and he has also done well in drama and English. And at Lakeside School, a computer company offered to provide computer time for students. There is a company that offered to provide computer time for whom? For the student to provide computer time. So Bill Gates and Paul Allen at school, they became fast. Here First time Bill Gates and Paul Allen met each other and they became fast friend, good friend, and sharing, and both they are sharing a common enthusiasm. Common enthusiasm means common interest. Actually, they were in computer here, computer. And Bill graduated means after 12th graduation. Bill has completed his graduation in 1973, and after that he has joined Harvard University. Who said? According to their parents' view, he has joined Harvard University. For what? To become a lawyer. But his interest was, his interest was in computer. But in 1974 he dropped out of the university. He has left out. Okay, what? To become a lawyer. And in 1976, Microsoft was set up in partnership with Paul Allen. In 1978, the company grossed $2.5 million with Bill as the CEO and the chairman of the company. It surged and by 2014 his wealth was more than $82 billion. Now in 1976, Microsoft company, even that who was the founder of Microsoft company? Bill Gates. So here given in 1976, Bill Gates founded Microsoft company with a partnership with whom? Paul Allen. And in 1978, the company grossed. Company's income grossed means 2.5 million at the time. At the time, Bill was CEO and chairman of the company. And after passing of some time, it moved suddenly, and up to by the 2014 year, his wealth was more than $82 billion. In 1976, only 2.5 million, and up to 2014, $82 billion. His company got. And meanwhile, he met Melinda French in 1989, and they subsequently got married in 1994. But Bill Gates was devastated when his mother was diagnosed with breast cancer and died later the same year. Now, meanwhile, after passing of some time, in 1989, there is a incident here described that Melinda, that Melinda Gates means wife of Bill Gates. So in 1989, first time Bill Gates met Melinda, and they got married in 1994. Subsequently, they got married. Both were married. And after, Bill Gates was devastated. Devastated means like shock. He was totally in sorrow when his mother was diagnosed, treated with which thing? With breast cancer, and on the same year died. Okay, so he was totally in shock. With the help of his wife Melinda, Bill began to realize that he had an obligation to give more of his wealth to the charity. And now, later, with the help of wife Melinda Gates, now Bill has realized, and Bill has had an obligation to give some money, some wealth to the charity for helping people, helping children, helping needy person. Okay, next page. And after that, he took interest in filling his mother's role as a civic leader. The Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation was formed in 2000 for the philanthropic work, and now he took interest in filling his mother's role. Mother's role, what? Mother means Bill Gates' mother. She was ready to help every person. So same like he was thinking. Bill Gates was thinking that I can also help needy person, poor people, children, orphans. Okay. So now this is the reason Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation was formed when? In 2000. And Bill Gates has stepped down as a chairman of Microsoft but it actually involved in charity work. He keeps visiting various parts of the world, including India, in the connection with this work. And now, Bill Gates, as a chairman of Microsoft company, and he is also very active in helping people in charity work. And so this is the reason all parts of the various parts of the world he was visiting and helping the needy persons. So this is the reason he came India also. During one of his visits to a school, Bill was interviewed by Anju, the editor of the school magazine. Here are some excerpts from the interview wherein he speaks about his childhood, his work, and his vision for the next 15 years. During when Bill Gates visited India at a time in a school, so Bill was interviewed. There is a girl, Anju, the editor of the school magazine. She has interviewed Bill Gates, and after she has asked some question related to his age, his childhood age, his work and vision, everything she has asked. Okay, everything she has asked. So what she has asked, tomorrow I will tell you. Okay, thank you for today. Have a nice day.